I'm coming. Hold your horses.
Hello? Who? Nim. Oh, yeah, Nim. Yes, I know. You called about the rats.
I don't know nothing about any special behavior, but the traps sure don't work in the morning.
Suits me fine. No, you can bulldoze that rose bush right out of there. I want those rats exterminated. Now, there's no charge or anything. Good. Okay, well,
I'll see you in the morning. Bye-bye.
Nim, they're coming here. I must warn Justin.
Theresa! Fortune! Auntie's afraid.
Pull on the airhole. He does it.
Nicodemus is cooperating beautifully.
Jenner.
Standing in just the right spot.
Jenner, I can't do it.
When that block reaches midway, you cut the line. Don't get any ideas, my friend. You're in this up to your neck.
Come on, mate. Put your back into it. I'm moving.
Ready with the knife. Ready. Cut now.
I cut it. No!
Okay, help me. We've got to hurry. That's it. Come on. We're coming. Okay. I see him. Nicodemus. Oh, no. No.